Okay, we are successfully able to pull the events from the Google Calendar, right? And now the time is to display those events in the proper form, right? We are going to display them into the Bootstrap table, right? So let's go to your project, and here first to create a blade file where we are going to display our events. So let's go here, auth, inside the auth, let me create a calendar directory, and inside the calendar I'm going to create a index file where I'm going to load all of the events, and here I'm going to create a simple table. I think I need to copy the, let's go copy this dashboard stuff. So I need to copy this dashboard stuff, and here I'm going to copy all of the and show them to here. I'm going to basically add a table here, like we are in the tailwind CSS, so how I can design this form. So here I'm going to define the table. So let me generate this table from the GPT. Also remove this one because this one is now resolved. Okay, and here I'm going to, let's close this one. I'm going to access the chat GPT to generate table, generate beautiful table, a beautiful full table with the CSS. Okay, beautiful. Well, let's copy this one, and here I'm going to remove this stuff, and I'm going to add all of the things here. Just copy this code. Oh my god, let's go back here. I'm going to add the style. How I can render this? I can render this using slot, but I'm going to add this for now here in the section CSS, and this section, just paste this. Oops, yes, it's style. I think it's not copied, so let's click on this copied code again, just paste everything here. Let's authenticate it. Okay, and add this inside the master blade. Let's go here, go to the app, and add this here in this one, yield CSS. Okay, I have added this section there. So now I can visit that route. So let me create a new route for this one where I can review this. So first let me review it in the test using the closure. Now to test how it look like. First I will design this, and then I will choose this in my calendar page. So just go here like this and return the view calendar dot index. So let's open this test. Let's go here, open this test. Okay, and calendar is look like this one, right? Looks fine. Here I'm going to display the event name, then I'm going to display the starting date, and I'm going to display the ending date, right? Later on we can add the actions here to delete, edit, and so on things. Okay, so let's go here. Now I'm going to go here, there's open calendar details, and not this one, let's close this one. I'm going to open all of those ones here, just to return, oops, return view, and then I'm going to open the calendar index with the compact results, or we can name this more descriptive like events. Just name this events. Okay, we are passing those events here in the calendar. I'll just name this so title, then start date, and then this would be the end date, right? And date. Okay, so just delete this. So tr, we need one tr, we will loop through this, right? And here I'm going to first check that if this one should be greater than 1, it should be greater than 1, then display the table. Otherwise display here no events found, something like this, which should be a class of danger. Oops, class to text danger, right? And then text to bold something, and then text center, right? And here we need to call a loop, for each loop events, right? And then I'm going to here event here, and then paste here table data. First I'm going to add here the event title, event summary, I think. Let's go back here, let's zoom it a bit. So this one is a summary, so just go back and write to summary. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this start and end, right? So you can see it here. This one is a start contain a date time which contain this date, right? Okay, so here we can say that we can say that to event to start, if it's exist, then if it's exist, then get the date time from it, right? Like this. Same for the end. Okay, just make this end like this, and that's it. So let's go here, get refresh. Not this test, let me add this calendar, and yes, we are getting the dummy event, then this date, then this time, right? So let me also move the zoom in. We are getting the event. Let me make this in a human readable format, so we can say that date should be date, day, month, and then year, and then HIS. I think I don't need to display the seconds anymore, so just type this str to time. This one is a PHP native function. You can use this date helper and this str to time PHP native function, and here I'm going to use this same. So just copy this thing here. Maybe it wouldn't work here because it's negating this else condition, but anyway, I will test this out. If it wouldn't work, I will add this into the variable and then call this here. Refresh, and yes, it's working. Awesome. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So let me make sure it here. It will be the, I think, getting the wrong time, right? It's 12 to 1 p.m. Saturday 11. If I want to get the day name, so you can simply say that day here, capital D will show the day, right? Day, and yes, Saturday, and then why it's returning the incorrect time. Let's go here, go down, update it at time. This would be the 12 5 okay, what would be the ending date? So this would be the 1 p.m. I think this one is a date 12 to 1 p.m. Why I'm getting the wrong date here in my API? Because this one is a different time format. This one is ISO 64 or something like this, so that's why we need to convert it properly. It's a T13. Okay, let me ask this that please convert this into the correct date time using carbon, laravel carbon. So it will know that we are using the laravel, so just add this inside the code so it will understand that this is the date, carbon bars, set time zone, set UTC, and then this will get this. So first we need to change the time zone, and then it's going to here we are getting this date. So I need to apply it where I need to parse this into the carbon object first, and then I'm going to call this out. So let me first apply this here on the top here. So this would be the carbon bars, and then I'm going to get the event start date time here, and then I'm going to set to UTC. Let me double make sure that it is set time zone. Okay, set time zone UTC, and then after this, can I call this format directly here? I think not, but I'm going to do it here. Maybe it will work. Day, month, year for now. Just go here and give it a refresh. If we will get an exception, carbon not found. Yeah, it's correct. We need to add the /carbon right like this. So let's get refresh. 11:11, it's fine. Okay, let me now display the time to HI, and then also the day. Save this one. Let's get refresh. Yes, we are getting the 7 p.m. which is incorrect time. Here it should be the 12 p.m. something like this. Don't know why it's getting the wrong time. Still I'm using this one. So let me ask the GPT. Yeah, GPT, it's wrong. Okay, it's getting the correct time right here, but it's in the different time zone. So chat GPT, tell me this UTC, but I need to set my own time zone. Also GPT told me that what's the time zone you can no this not GPT. This calendar is telling me that this one is your time zone, this one time zone, right? So let me copy it from here. This one is a Pakistan time zone. If you are using from the different country, so find your own time zone and then add it here. So just go here and give it a refresh and returning the 12. Great. So now let's go here. You can also convert this now into the, it's also displaying the seconds. It's fine, but you can format it here too, as I did this before. So first day name, then it would be the day, then month, then year, then first hour, then minute, and then you can display the seconds too here, right? That's it. And let's copy it from here, and for this to add it here and make this to changes to end, right? Save this one. Let's get refresh, and yes, now our time is 12 to 13 p.m. right? So this is a way to display this one. And if you want to here display only the AM PM, you can find this. There is a slightly different thing here is you need to change something here, and then I think you need to change this H, and then this will become into the AM and PM. It's become into the 2 hours, right? 12 AM PM, but still, yeah, it's now become in the, it's before it was 13 and now it's become 1 PM, right? You can also display the AM PM. You can search it on the Google. It's pretty simple. I'm not going to tell you here because I'm shooting this for the calendar stuff, so I will focus on this calendar calendar things, right? So if you like this video, subscribe this channel and share your feedback that how much this series is valuable for you, and if you want to suggest anything for me to shoot more things in this series, so please add this into the comment below, and I will meet you in the next one. Thank you.